In the field of plastic extrusion, focus is a rare quality. Since 2002, BAOD Extrusion has remained dedicated to the R&D, manufacturing, and service of extrusion equipment, driven by a relentless commitment to innovation. We believe that a great extrusion line is more than a machine. It's an integrated system of efficiency and precision. At BAOD Extrusion, we strive for higher output, tighter control, greater stability, and smarter operation. Every component is refined for long-term reliability and consistent performance. We understand the specific challenges of automotive tubing, from fuel and brake systems to cooling system and functional PA tube. By viewing our design through the lens of the end user, we continuously refine our processes and equipment to meet demanding industry standards. By December 2024, BAOD Extrusion has delivered over 120 set single-layer PA extrusion lines and more than 40 sets multi-layer composite smooth and corrugated pipe extrusion line worldwide, empowering our clients with greater automation, efficiency, and cost control. Drawing on input from leading resin suppliers such as Arkema, EMS, and Evonik, we have optimized our screw design specifically for PA materials. From PA12 and PA610 to high-temperature PPA and reinforced PPS materials, our screws ensure excellent plasticizing performance, high compatibility, and consistent extrusion quality. In terms of manufacturing, we utilize precision CNC screw grinding, achieving tolerances within +0.05 mm, well above industry norms. This guarantees material flow stability and significantly extends equipment lifespan. We believe every customer's needs deserve careful attention. BAOD Extrusion delivers customized tube extrusion system configurations and process solutions, maximizing on-site value and ensuring long-term success. This is our dedication to professionalism and our promise to customers. To learn more, please contact us. We're here to provide expert extrusion solutions and dedicated support.